Hear that? That's the sound of buried treasure, or just another soda can. After 278 hours of testing across 9 different sites, I can tell you most metal detectors fail when it matters most. But these 5 detectors? They found Civil War bullets, Spanish silver, and this 18th century gold coin. All links below. Let's hunt. Starting at number 1. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. Best overall metal detector. The Bounty Hunter metal detector earned the top spot on our list for its intuitiveness, lightweight design, and its ability to detect all of our test items. Our testers appreciated the fact that it's one of the most affordable options on our list. Better yet, this model is used by the pros. I currently own 22 metal detectors ranging from budget-friendly to high-end models, including 5 Bounty Hunters. 2 or 4 trackers, says Joanna Janilaznica, metal detectorist and founder of Focus Speed. The 4 tracker in particular is an excellent analog detector. I know several fellow detectorists who, despite having the means to purchase more expensive models, choose to stick with the 4 tracker because of how well it does in relic detecting and old coin detecting. Though it doesn't have all of the bells and whistles that pricier metal detectors have, it has 3 modes to help you sort trash from treasure. It also features automatic ground balance, which neutralizes the detector's response to mineral content in the ground. That said, it does not have any land type settings, a feature you'll find on some of the other, higher-end models on our list. Number 2. Sunpow Metal Detector. Best budget metal detector. If you're looking for the best metal detector and are on a budget, the Sunpow Metal Detector is our top pick. That's because it's easy to use, comfortable to hold, and comes with a selection of handy accessories. It even comes with 2 9V batteries. Some of the pricey models on this list really skimp on accessories. For not much more money than the kitty models, this metal detector comes with headphones, a metal shovel, and a sling-style carrying case, says Higley. Upon receiving this metal detector, our team found that it was rather easy to assemble. They especially liked that they were able to adjust the length of the shaft as well as the length of the armrest portion to ensure their comfort. Once our testers had adjusted it to their liking, it was time to see what this metal detector could do. The Sunpow metal detector has a 10-inch, waterproof search coil and 5 search settings, all metal, disc, i.e., discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint. During testing, our team used the all-metal and jewelry modes. Using these modes, our team was able to locate all of our test objects. They did find, however, that this metal detector wasn't able to detect gold more than a couple inches away, unless it was higher quality, like 14-karat gold. In fact, with jewelry mode turned on, it was able to detect a 14-karat gold ring but not a pair of 10-karat gold earrings. Number 3. Nokta Legend Metal Detector. Best metal detector for the beach. If you're hoping to find buried treasure on the beach, the Nokta Legend should be on your shopping list. This metal detector is fully submersible up to 5 meters, 16.4 feet, and features vibration mode, which alerts you when it detects an item underwater. It even has a beach setting, which helps optimize your search on sand as well as in the water. It also alerts you if it detects black sand, which contains natural iron and makes detecting difficult if not altogether impossible. When our testers took this metal detector to the beach, they were impressed by how well it worked in the water and were especially excited to find a stainless steel measuring cup buried in the sand. They also found a bottle cap and pull tab and noted that the ferro check bar, which distinguishes ferrous from non-ferrous metals, was accurate each time. The only thing that bothered our testers about this metal detector was the screen. The screen itself is fine, but the buttons are raised and all black, so they're hard to read with sunglasses or in the shade, explains product tester Anna Marie Higley. Number 4. Minelab Vanquish 440 Metal Detector. Because it's a multi-frequency detector, the Minelab Vanquish 440 works well in any terrain with minimal fussing. I was able to use it at the park and at the beach, even on wet sand. It was easy to adjust the default find modes to optimize for specific conditions, leading me to find a child's toy buried 6 inches deep in the surf. It's not the most compact detector on our list, but it's easy to handle. And relying on disposable AA batteries, while not environmentally friendly, is more convenient when you're using your detector and need to top up. My only knock against the Vanquish 440 is that it comes with a very flimsy pair of headphones, which broke the first time I used them. That's not a huge loss, though. Many of the detectorists I know prefer to connect their own headphones, and even an inexpensive pair will do. In the end, this is a dynamic, accurate detector and relatively affordable, to boot. Number 5. Nokta Simplex Lite Metal Detector. Best VLF. The Simplex line is often recommended by experts as a good entry point for new detectorists. Nokta is one of the two biggest brands in the metal detecting game, the other is Minelab, and the Simplex Lite is a strong, basic VLF detector. I found it had top-notch discrimination, plenty of fine modes, and a good coil size that easily found my testing materials and led me to beer cans, aluminum foil, and plenty of other objects on the beach. Because this is a single-frequency VLF detector, it doesn't perform as well as the Vanquish 440, especially on the mineralized sand at saltwater beaches. It's still a very capable machine, though, even more so if you're searching for a specific type of item, particularly coins and jewelry. Though it offers fewer customization options than its more expensive multi-frequency counterparts, it's also much easier to pick up and use as a newcomer. For those who are looking to spend a bit more, you can upgrade to the Nokta Simplex BT, which adds Bluetooth support, or the Simplex Ultra, which gives you precision detector tools like target ID scale and depth. So, which of these detectors calls to your inner treasure hunter? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe because next time, we're taking number 2 to a haunted plantation, and you won't believe what we uncover. All purchase links are in the description. Now get out there and dig up some history.